Alright guys, the door's not really open yet. You can see the pistol clerks are back here. These are for all the counties. Here in New York State, when you buy a handgun, you have to add that pistol to your pistol permit prior to you just leaving with it. So we've got 3 different counties set up back here, adding all the pistols. So if you make a purchase today, what's going to happen is they're going to add it to your pistol permit, and that way you can just leave the gun show with it. So that's really cool. Definitely a convenience factor. Because I'm Chautauqua County, I gotta show you guys Betty's right here working and getting everything added for everybody. We got our local gun dealer right here, Darren, and he's gonna be just working with Betty and making sure everything's running smooth. Because I work a lot with Winchester, of course I'm going to bring you over here. You can see Winchester's busy talking to people, getting some sales done first thing this morning as those doors begin to open and the place gets flooded. Do a quick spin for you guys right here as well. This place is going to be packed. It's going to be shoulder to shoulder later on, just people coming in buying firearms. When it comes towards politicians, you know, New York politicians destroy everything in New York, and the firearm community stands up together. They make more firearm purchases at events like this, and 100% safe. No one is getting shot here. It's not like what you hear on the media. These are very, very safe things, even though you have the amount of ammo and firearms hanging out on the table. We've got one of the workers right here, that's Ox, and back here with Winchester. I'm just going to show you guys his table as we begin doing stuff. Crazy ammo sales. By the way guys, if you do want to purchase something, Winchester does also have a website. You can see it right here kind of on his banner, so let me get you down here. So just go visit www.winchesterarm.com. You can make purchases. Everything can be drop shipped to you, so that's pretty cool. But these prices, although at the show, are going to be dropping a little bit lower. Right through the website you can always order stuff too. Holosun Optics, anyone who's ever shot with me knows I'm a huge fan of the Holosun Optics right there. You've got AR-10, AR-15 lower receivers, so you can build your own. All the pistols. This is one of my favorites right now. The Robin's Egg, you know, lower frame for this is just really cool. So I'm sure that one's going to go today. Also, you got Colt Pythons, guys. These are phenomenal, absolute beauties on the table. When you put holes in things, you also should be able to plug them up. So we got tac packs up here, so quick medical kits. I was walking around earlier. Some of the medical kits that I just saw were $125 for the exact same kit. These generally are sold for $70. The cash price right now is $60 just at this show. And what do we got in the back here? We got a SCAR 17. You can see that's actually suppressed. It's got the offset Holosun optic up there, as well as an LPVO over here. We've got a 50 cal. Who doesn't need a 50 cal? So that is actually New York compliant and can be sold. And right there in the front, we've got a 249, the SAW. That's manufactured by FN. The cool thing about this gun is, although it's not really for sale for New York individuals, because it would be an illegal firearm, that gun gets sold out to Florida and Georgia quite frequently, so that they can actually use them and mount them on helicopters, side-by-sides for wild boar hunts. So really cool right there. Anything with Small Arms Pistol Academy, my training company right here, we just have hats. Basically, I'm just here to get information out. So that's what we have right here, is some little rack cards so that people can just get some information about future training classes. Okay. Alright guys, so again, we're going to be walking through, looking at all these vendors. You can see everything around here is basically firearms, but a local business for our area right here. And the owner, we have her standing right here. So go ahead, let us know who you are, what your business is, and what you have on your table.
My name is Alyssa Hall. My business name is Say It With Brass. I have a bunch of jewelry made with bullet casings.
When the shit goes down.
I guess my top sellers are my earrings
I
and...
just broke 100, so it works out good for me. So which one of the when the shit goes down is?
So you guys can see everything on the table is for the firearm enthusiast here. Now Alyssa does a lot of other jewelry too. It's not just, you know, bullet casings and you would think of something weird. It's actually really cool. My wife has a ton of these. One of her favorites is actually the birthstones inside of the earring. So when we go out to dinner, she can wear something that I love, firearms, but also something that looks awesome. So I'm going to show you guys the table up here. Some keychains. always need a QR code, so go ahead, pull your phone out if you're not watching this, and make sure you check out her stuff here and some of the necklaces that are just hanging here. And again, Say It With Brass is the business. Appreciate your time, guys. Good luck today. We'll talk to you guys later. Hey guys, so as you know, we're at the Salamanca Casino Gun Show. I'm here with Tom Moore. He is a local Frewsburg gun dealer. So I'm just gonna kind of do a quick interview, and we're gonna see what the most popular items have been, you know, basically for sale. So what do you got for us, Tom?
Well, yesterday the Kimber, we have a line of Kimbers here. Kimbers were very popular yesterday. We've got Heritage revolvers. We've got what I've got. We sold a lot yesterday, but we've got some high point pistols, and then we've got a variety of long guns over there also.
Awesome. I'm gonna just walk through and let you guys take a look at his table out here. Make sure you are getting out here. Check out the gun show. And if you can't make it to the gun show, the bonus of Tom's tables is this is all stuff he does actually have right there at his gun store in Frewsburg, New York, even power equipment, so pretty cool. He's also going to be running all the NICS checks, so personal gun sales, things like that happen out here. He's going to be rocking that. If you guys ever have to buy a firearm, you know, privately, you could always go up to his shop. He can do the background check. Plenty of ammo still on the table. That stuff's heavy. We don't want that up here, so make sure you guys are coming purchasing that ammo so we can get it off the tables. So appreciate it. Hey guys, so again, we're still at the gun show. One of the coolest things that is happening out here is people buying the gun raffle tickets. This is going to be helping, you know, local fire departments, everything like that. So what we have, can you kind of give us a breakdown real fast of what we actually have right here?
Frewsburg Fire Company is doing a gun a day for the month of July, so it's on the Pick 3 evening number. And yeah, so you got pistols and that you can get right from Spackler Sports in Frewsburg.
Awesome.
And all benefits to Frewsburg Fire Company.
Perfect. I appreciate it. Good luck, guys.
Thank you.
All right, guys, my favorite stuff when I come to gun shows, oddly, is the food. I don't care about the firearms, so I'm here with a local vendor. So, hey, guys, what are your names and what is the business?
My name is Jason Byrne.
Kelly Byrne.
And we're Brookside Maple Farms out of Centerville, New York.
Awesome. What is your most popular item, do you think, on your table?
Maple coated almonds and maybe the bourbon flavored syrup and bourbon flavored maple cream. Right? You can put on toast or bagels or English muffins.
Awesome. So again, that's the bourbon maple cream right there.
That's aged in a bourbon barrel about 6 to 8 months. It's the first syrup of the season. It's put in a freshly dumped bourbon barrel. It goes in that barrel hot, stays in there 6 to 8 months to get the flavor we're looking for out of it. Then it gets filtered and put back into the bottles or made into other maple products.
Awesome. I appreciate you guys taking the time to talk to me. I'm going to show all the viewers just the cool products out here and the labeling. Awesome. Appreciate it, guys.
You're welcome.
Good luck today.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, guys, so we're here with Winchester Armament over here. You can see he's running NICS checks right now for individuals. And we just had someone purchase the G43X. You can see it right here, the Robin's Egg. So what we're going to do is people always ask why they selected that gun. So I'm here today with
Krista.
Krista. Now, Krista, why did you actually select the G43X? What did you like about it?
I liked how it felt in my hand, holding on to it. I feel like I had a good grip on it.
Awesome. Now, do you have a carry concealed license, or is this just for target shooting?
I do have a carry conceal license, but it's going to be initially for target shooting.
Perfect. Is this your first firearm?
Yes.
Awesome. Are you excited?
Very excited.
Perfect. And in her hand, you guys can also see she is holding training classes, so she might actually sign up for something like that in the future. Probably the ladies only class. So thanks for your support. Appreciate you being on the channel.
Thank you.
Cool. Hey guys, so again we're here with Mud Creek. We're with the owner Darren, and who else do we have here?
Tracy.
My wife Tracy.
Awesome. So what is the most popular thing that you guys have been selling?
It's been pretty even this year. A lot of women getting carry guns.
We did rifles, we did shotguns,
Strap guns.
did some varmint guns,
Awesome.
sold carry purses.
With the clerks being here, the handguns are the big draw.
Awesome. Yeah, so as you guys know, the pistol clerks for the counties are here, so they can add those guns to your permit right away. The handbag she was just talking about, let me just adjust this and show you a POV right here. So they do have the carry concealed purses right here. Beautiful, and your firearm has a place to go into, so it's not just rattling around like it would inside a backpack or something, but an actual holster inside there, so those are phenomenal. Well, guys, I appreciate you taking time to talk to us, and as always, you're a great local vendor, so I appreciate all the business you guys do for our community.
Thank you much.
Appreciate it.
I saw it. I was like, before yesterday, I was like,
and it's achieving what the grip extension would do on a 43. Without having to worry about getting magazines or grip extensions. It's all the same.
I've been